So here are some of the pieces of equipment and tools that I want to be hanging on this flow wall, and I want to basically place it on this wall over here. And what I recommend doing is, once you purchase your flow wall, to lay it all out and get a really good idea for how it'll all look on the wall. We are going to go 75 inches from our baseboard straight up. Next, we're going to utilize our beam from our how to install garage shelves video, which you can see in the link below. We're going to go 3 inches to the left of this beam and make a mark. Where these lines intersect will be where our top right panel will go. So the next thing you want to do is you want to use your stud finder and you want to test it out. Oh, it looks like there I found a stud. So you want to hold down the button, and when the red light gets all the way to the top, then you know that you're in line with your stud, which is behind your drywall. Go ahead and take your pencil and make a mark. So now that you found one stud, you want to continue to go down your wall and find your remaining studs. To make your lines more visible, I find it best to take your level and your pencil and draw your line a little bit longer on your wall so it's a little bit easier to see. So I recommend when you place this flow wall on your wall that you have someone to help you. This is a two-person job. You'll need the other person to put pressure and hold up the panel while you go ahead and drill it in with your screws. So have another friend to help you. Once you have all your screws in though, what you'll end up doing next is you'll take your end pieces. These are like caps, and they make a nice trim to your panel. I find that the trim pieces also have a groove here, so that means that the next one I put on will have the top aligned perfectly right there. So all you're going to do is you're going to find where the holes are, pull a hole, and just push it, and there you go. And then you get your next one, and you'll put the top here. Obviously you're not going to put the groove with the groove, so you're going to put the top one here, and you're going to find your holes. Alright, and what's great about this, package deal that you get is you get shelves. You also get clamps for holding up other tools or equipment. So I have my shelf right here, and all they do is they go right in here. So you put them at an angle, and then you just come straight down, and you hear that click, and it's on there really well. Then you get your next one. Once again, same procedure. Boom, right there. And then you can get your hooks. there you are. And here is the final result. You can see all the gardening tools I've been able to put on my wall. What used to be on the garage floor has now been moved to the Flo-Wall. Not bad for how the Flo-Wall turned out, huh? I just want to leave you guys with one last inspirational message for today. And that comes from Philippians 1:6, which basically states that God's not finished with you yet. In fact, if you guys woke up today and you saw this video, it's important for you to realize that He does, and He still has a purpose for you, and He has a plan for your life. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to go out there and design, create, and inspire every day.